Learn how to switch Microsoft Word's language settings back to English. Perfect for resetting your menus and tools with ease. Open any Microsoft Office application, such as Word. Select Options at the bottom left of the screen. In the Options menu, choose Language from the left panel. Click on Add a Language and select your desired language from the list. Click Install to begin downloading the language pack. After installation, select OK to apply the language change. Restart the Office application to complete the process. Once reopened, the menus and proofing tools should display in the new language. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.